Okay, so continuing to the third video and the last video for this. Uh, for macros, we'll cover these macros in later videos in detail. But the shortcut as of now would be Shift F8 or probably Alt F8. So it gives you the entire pop-up dialog, which gives you the entire macros in the Excel file. As of now, we don't have it here, but it usually shows up all of it. For instance, I can show you a file. So this is a financial model. Let it just open because this is a bit heavy model. Okay, so yeah, so if you want to see the macros, just press Alt F8, and you can see here all of the macros that are within this file. You can just see them, and if you want to edit them, edit them. For editing, you need to step into macro code. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you is just looking if I have covered all of the key shortcuts. Yeah, another thing sometimes I usually use is Alt FTF, which basically helps me to get the options of that file. So sometimes, when there are multiple data tables in an Excel file, it always keeps updating the Excel sheet. So it's better to work on automatic except for data tables and then press F9 once you have finished with your calculations and want to refresh the numbers. So press that option here and then click OK. Another thing would be that sometimes you need to work on circular references. So click on enable iterative calculations and then press OK. So this is another key shortcut that comes in handy for me. Apart from that, I guess, yeah, other, yeah, like basic shortcuts such as creating a table. If you just select them, press Ctrl T, it will tell you, it will ask you where the data is, and you can click. If you click my table has headers, it will take these, the first line as headers. If you don't click, then it will take these, the just line row above that first selection, it will take that as headers. So that is another thing that is sometimes used. Apart from that, yeah, one more thing. So evaluating a formula. So for instance, you see this, okay? So if you want to evaluate a formula, if you have calculated a certain formula, don't know how the value is coming, all you need to do is press Alt and V, and you'll see a evaluate formula here. Press enter to see how it works. 300 plus shortcut C. The values will change. So it will give the value of this 200, and then it will give you the value of this 0.05. Then it will tell you how the entire answer is coming. So that's another thing that is important, very very important in my case. And apart from that, so yeah, we covered grouping and ungrouping, and for grouping Alt UU, for grouping Alt GG, and for ungrouping Alt UU. If you see, these are very you know uh, explainable shortcuts. Grouping Alt A G G, G stands for grouping. Ungrouping Alt A U U. And I think, yeah, we have covered most of the uh, commonly used Excel shortcuts. If I come across any other, or probably if I remember any other, I'll make sure to add it in the next video series. Thank you.